Welcome. If you want to change keyboard theme in your Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, for the first you have to go for the settings. Right now we have to scroll down and go for the general management, and here you have to go for the language and the input. Go for the on-screen keyboard, and here we got the 5 keyboards that we can use. So you have to pick up this one that you are using as a default. So in my case it is the LED keyboard, but it's not very common, so you probably are not going to get it on your smartphone. So I'm going to switch, I think that I can switch for the Microsoft SwiftKey. Here we have to tap on the themes. As you can see, here is the gallery of the themes. Here we can find our themes that we have actually on our smartphone. And we can also custom with our own picture, and we are going to serve someone from our themes available on the device. So I think that I'm going to switch to light. So click, tap on the switcher, and here you got the preview how the theme has changed. So thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.